Are they dating? Are you guys happy? Or are you jealous? Let me know down the comment. But today, we're not going to talk about their relationship. We're going to do a makeup look inspired by their couple. Because since they announced their relationship, I saw this picture like went viral on my feed, my Instagram, my Facebook page. A lot of people are posting this photo. This photo. It's very cute, and now it's summer, so I guess it's very appropriate for me to create this look. Light eye makeup, heavy blush, and some freckles. I really want to do her makeup look sometimes, and today is the day. So please stay tuned. Since we're doing a K-pop look, I'm going to use Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. I'm going to use ColourPop No Filter Foundation. My shade is medium 85. I saw people do this on the internet. No, doesn't work for me. So today we're not going to go heavy on anything because I want to keep this look very natural. Next, ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to use this peach blur for Too Faced as a powder. I really like this powder. It's like it's just give you that pink kind of vibe. Next, we're going to look at the picture. We'll do some eyebrows. Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brown in dark brown. In the photo, her brown is kind of lighter, like light brown. And I'm going to use the lightest color of Fashion Brown of Maybelline New York to set the cream product. I'm going to do the other brown and I'll be right back. And then set everything with the brow gel. Next, we're going to do some eyes. I'm going to use Lime Crime Venus palette. First, I'm gonna use this color Creation. Put it all over the lid. And then I'm going to go with Icon, the darker brown. We'll do the same color on the lash line. And then I want to put some of this color, Rebirth, on the tear ducts. And then I'm going to put some eyeliner just on the inner part of your lash lines. So I'm going to use this little thing that I think it's Maybelline. I really like this eyeliner because it's gel-like and blendable. And I'm gonna put Aura all over the brow bones. we're going to put a little dot under the eye. Does it work? I still have some extension on, so that's not gonna work with mascara. We will do the lash line mascara, so I'm going to use something brown like in her picture. So Hyper Curl Volume Express. Alright, next we're going to contour. So I don't see a very heavy contour on her part, so we're just going to do a little. Using NYX again, by the way. Okay. Next we're going to do the blush. I'm going to dip into this palette, Blush Sugar palette from Jeffree Star, and the color is Tongue Pop. Go heavy. Whew, it's pigmented. This is crazy. Never done this before. When my husband gets home, he will be like,
"Babe, what did you do?"
Men never get it. And then we're going to do some freckles. So I have a few items here that I will try to use. We'll start with some brown color. Just take any brow pencil. Don't know how this is going to turn out, and then my husband will be like,
"Why did you put crap all over your face?"
I'm going to put on some highlighter. Give me more palette. The color is Upgrade. It's kind of pinkish as well, so I think it will go with the blush. I'm going to use Gemini by Jeffree Star. Mix it with ColourPop lippy sticks in candy paint. Finish off with some setting spray. Here's the look on a daylight. It's very nice, and the freckles are visible more than in the beauty lights in the studio. So, yay! Successful! Thank you very much, you guys, for watching today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you on the next one.